Hedera price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. Will HBAR price hit 50 cents? Hedera has been making waves in the crypto space, having entered the top 20 digital assets by market cap in 2024, and now eyeing a potential leap into the top 10 by the end of 2025. With increasing real-world use cases, institutional interest, and strategic partnerships, many are closely tracking HBAR price prediction 2025 to gauge how high the token can rise. With major companies like Google, IBM, and Chainlink Labs backing the project, and talks of an HBAR ETF approval, many are asking, will HBAR price hit $1? Hedera price projection 2025. The external factors, like Trump's tariff threat, have pushed the HBAR price into a consistent decline and have recently taken a strong rejection from the 200-day EMA band. Since mid-May, the HBAR crypto has shattered nearly 30%, coming from $0.233 to $0.162. Adding more fuel to the fire, the intraday sell pressure of 10% has broken the previous swing low of $0.170. On the daily chart, it is aiming for a decline towards retesting its critical support of $0.139, which also aligns with Q4 2024 momentum-based high-volume profile level. This high-volume profile showed strength in Q2 2025's April month, where a recovery of over 80% from $0.125 to $0.228 was observed. This time, HBAR approaching this level is critical, as it has become a make-or-break level. If bullish forces step in again as seen last month, then a rally could spark, then there is a higher chance for its price to clear $0.401 and reach $0.750 by the 2025 year end. But if the support has been weakened from a previous retest, then its break would be fearsome, which could even push HBAR price to the $0.072 level in a fast-paced momentum, as displayed in Q4 when bulls were in command. Unlike its price action, the internal fundamental factors are on the optimistic side. Its efforts have been reflected in significant progress in its ecosystem. In 2025, it introduced the first Hedera native hardware wallet, Citadel, an AI-powered Hedera agent kit, allowing users to create tokens, reducing technical barriers. Another strong project is set to launch in Q3 2025, named HashSphere, a private, permissioned blockchain for highly regulated industries like payment providers and asset managers. To facilitate secure, low-cost cross-border transactions with stable coins while ensuring regulatory compliance. Even in order to streamline their work, on May 15, 2025, Hedera rebranded, renaming the HBAR Foundation to the Hedera Foundation, and the Hedera Governing Council to the Hedera Council. Overall, the internal factors suggest that optimism is not so shallow right now, and we can see some big moves in 2025, if all things are aligned well. But, still, the external factors highlight great caution for market participants. HBAR price prediction 2026. Moving forward to 2026, forecast prices and technical analysis project that Hedera's price is expected to reach a minimum of 45 cents. The price could escalate to $1.05 on the higher end, with an average trading price hovering around 80 cents. HBAR price forecast 2027. Looking ahead to 2027, the optimism around Hedera will lead to steady growth. Hence, the HBAR price is forecasted to reach a low of 60 cents, with a potential high touching $1.20 and an average forecast price of 95 cents. Hedera price forecast 2028. As we advance to 2028, with moderate gains, the HBAR predictions indicate that the price of a single HBAR could reach a minimum of 65 cents, with the ceiling potentially rising to $1.40. Within the range, the average price will be $1.10. HBAR price target 2029. By the time 2029 rolls around, it's predicted that Hedera's price will maintain its upward trajectory, reaching a minimum of 60 cents, with the maximum price possibly reaching $1.50 and an average of $1.15, reflecting cautious optimism. Hedera price prediction 2030. By the end of this decade, HBAR is predicted to touch its lowest price at 95 cents, aiming for a high of $1.70 and an average price of $2.20. Hence, the prediction suggests stable long-term growth for Hedera's market value. Coinpedia's Hedera price prediction. By the end of 2025, The recovery run in HBAR prices is expected to continue with a gradual rise in momentum. Hence, by the end of 2025, Coinpedia's HBAR price forecast expects a potential high of 80 cents with a solid support at 40 cents, making an average of 60 cents.